Okay, guys, get out your blank papers and let's try to draw Easter basket. You're gonna need one pencil. Well, if you wanna have the best and keep it like that, it's Sharpie. I have a pink one here, but I don't usually use Sharpies. If I make accidents, I would love to use them. Okay, so this was my last video, making a rose. These elements of our portraits, but let's keep it sideways, not a portrait way. Okay, and by the way, mine is sideways because if the camera was gonna be this way, it will go, what? Picture. Okay, and I'm watching Art Kids again, but you could copy over. Okay, let's get started. I have a pail of pencils, and let's get started. Okay.
What are we doing today? What are we going to draw? An Easter basket. That's like fun. You guys ready? Got your markers?
Okay. Okay, let's get started. First, draw a line at the bottom of your paper, as straight as you can. Now you're gonna do big oval shape. Now back down, like that. Okay, now I'm gonna start with my Sharpie. If it's gonna be easy now.
Okay, now we're gonna draw a line that goes straight across.
Now you're gonna draw a line that goes straight across.
Good. Okay, we're gonna draw another line straight across.
Then you're gonna draw another mini line straight across, but don't do it until I'm done. You have to make a really tiny one. Great job, guys. Then you're gonna do another one, skinny one over to the top.
Good job. Okay, then we're gonna do two lines kind of in the middle.
Then you're gonna do two lines kind of in the middle, like this.
Good. Do one more.
Art for Kids, I just love
And this is
all
gonna be
your
the
stuff you
basket
do.
part, okay?
But this is going to be the main basket part.
Let's see. Do two lines kind of in the middle.
Trying to draw away.
It's gonna kind of look like bricks, but that's how the basket leaves.
And now,
Weave
make lines like that all the way to the end.
and then, okay, so we're gonna go in between these two lines, so we're gonna do a line right here. Watch me. Do a line like that.
There you go.
Right there.
Now, make a line right there in the middle of any one. Now just keep doing it over and over.
Good job, it has. And then another line over there. And lines over here.
But you guys, I don't want you to copy mine like that. Just skip two, then make one. Skip two, then make one. Good job.
Okay, now what are we missing? Some grass? Yeah. You always put grass in the baskets for some reason. So we're just gonna watch me, and I'm just gonna make
Then do it at the bottom too.
up and down lines, zigzag.
Okay, but just don't forget the grass
And do that, make some grass.
in the basket.
Good job. Jackers, that's awesome.
There you go. Don't forget some pretty grass. Now let's line it with my marker since I use a pencil. but marker is way better. Just saying, if you guys at home use a pencil, don't. I'm gonna erase that other line I did from my pencil. That was not as fun. Okay, next step, let's overlay the top.
Okay, we're gonna do one big one right in the middle.
Okay, bring it over, make sure it copies yours, like that. So good so far. Now let's make an Easter egg. This is an Easter project. Now just make a giant circle. Well, not a circle. What's the egg shape?
Okay, and then we're gonna do another egg, but we're gonna overlap it.
Now we're gonna do another egg, but we're gonna overlap it.
Good job.
And then do another one.
Like that.
Okay, there we go.
And then we're gonna do another egg, and the other one like that. Yeah, it's a big egg.
Now make another one behind.
Awesome. Good job, Alex. Okay, we gotta decorate these eggs. Okay?
And now
This first egg.
let's decorate them with this Sharpie, but I'm gonna open up my pink one because it really sounds fun. Really fun. Okay. How do I open my pink one? I'm just gonna grab a pencil. Oh no, I broke my brown. I don't want that to happen. Okay. How do you open these? Oh, from the bottom. Okay. Okay. Why do they like package these so quick? Like so hard. See, it says neon right there. Neon and cursive. Now I'm gonna put some zigzags on my pink one with pink. That is fun. And then make another one.
And then the next egg, we're gonna do spots.
There we do. And then the next thing, let's do some spots like that.
Good job. Egg with spots. Like that. Can you do that? Do some circles.
Do some fun circles, funny circles.
Good. Do a couple more. Decorate that egg. One more. Good.
Okay.
Last one. Good job. Okay, and then this one, let's do some stripes.
In the next one, let's do some stripes.
Four stripes.
But once you think you're done, let's color the grass. Coloring the grass green, like grass is apparently green,
And then this one, we're going to do stripes going
like that. And the next one, we're gonna do stripes, but going down.
checkers. Awesome. Look at that. Look at your basket.
Okay,
You guys ready for Easter?
there we go.
Show Mommy.
Okay, now I'm gonna add some color line. Gonna make
See you later.
this some purple. Okay, that was very fun. I like coloring, that's my favorite thing. And And it's really fun because it's just really fun. First, I'm going to color it purple over the zigzags, like that. Then I'm going to put a line of yellow so it looks Easterly. Okay. Okay. And now add some yellow in there. Okay. Now I'm gonna pick up my teal and I'm gonna put it in the middle. There we go. But don't forget to color the outside. Let's do this. Is really hard. How about okay, blue. I like blue. This cool purple blue. But next I'm gonna do a little review of Mel's spellbook. There we go. You could decorate the others, but I'll see you in the next video. Bye, see you next time.